Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, Coding Kickstart Academy. Today's video is perfect for beginners who want to create their very first e-commerce website using WordPress, and the best part is, we're using a completely free WordPress template. If you're new to WordPress and think building a website is difficult or expensive, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to download, install, and customize a beautiful free template, without writing a single line of code, and without spending any money. Here's what we'll cover: white heavy checkmark how to download this free e-commerce template. White heavy checkmark how to install it in WordPress easily. White heavy checkmark how to customize the homepage and product pages. White heavy checkmark and how to add product categories, images, buttons, and more. This template is designed especially for beginners. It's clean, responsive, mobile-friendly, and loads fast. Perfect if you're starting a small business, dropshipping store, or online boutique. And if you like this template, check the description, I've added my email address there. You can contact me, and I'll be happy to send you more free templates for different types of websites. If you face any issues or have questions, feel free to leave a comment, or contact me through the email provided in the description. The free template download link is also available in the description below. So let's get started and build your first e-commerce WordPress website, using only free tools and simple steps that anyone can follow. If you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, please take a moment to like the video, subscribe to my channel, Coding Kickstart Academy, and press the bell icon so you never miss any of my upcoming videos.